Hey guys, here's some instructions on what's going on in this crazy time. So our first day of school is actually going to be on Wednesday, April 1st. And you've been emailed a schedule by Mr. Straub. It's maroon and gold for you to follow. So it's nice and suggestive, right? These are some hours you should be working on your homework. We do know that some of you are watching your siblings and stuff like that, so it is a suggested thing. So the idea is we're going to give you some homework. Please get it done by its due dates. So here's our plan. On April 1st, that'll be our first day. We're going to kind of have the review for Chapter 7 available. And then on that Friday, we're going to take an open note Canvas test. All of our tests from here on out are going to be open notes. So it's important that you take good notes. We'll do that on Friday, April 3rd. It'll be on Canvas. So look for that. Then after that, we've just got one chapter left that I want to get done about logarithms. Logarithms are needed for all y'all that are taking FST or going to go to college algebra. Now, I understand there are some of you that are not going to take either of those classes. Still got to finish the year strong. There's lots of points available, so keep the grade where you want it to be. So here's what we're going to roll. You got that schedule for Mr. Straub to follow, but we're going to assign 2 lessons a week. So the videos are still there like they used to be, 2 lessons a week, and then there'll be 1 Canvas quiz every Friday. So here's what you'll do. You got these options here. You can work on the 2 lessons, so the practice worksheet is on Canvas if you can print that out. If you can't, you can just take notes on your own piece of paper. If you can print out the homework and do that, I'll send another video with instructions of how you can turn that to a PDF, and we're going to submit that to Canvas. If you're doing your homework on your own piece of paper, that's also fine. That same video will show you how to turn it into a PDF and submit it to Canvas. There is also the option to do your homework in OneNote, where you can print the documents to OneNote and then write with your finger or with a stylus or anything like that. I won't lie, that's going to be kind of difficult with all the solving of logarithmic equations. I would advise doing the pencil and paper thing, at least. If you don't have a printer, just do it on your own paper. So all of those lessons, those 2 lessons, you got Monday through Friday to get them done. Try to follow that maroon and gold schedule as best you can, but we understand sometimes you can't do that because of some of the duties you have, but you've got all week to get those 2 assignments submitted. You can submit them whatever time you want to. If you watch the first one on a Monday and you get it done that night, great. But the whole week, Monday through Friday, is when homework is due. Those are the 2 lessons. Then Friday morning, we'll open a Canvas quiz about those 2 lessons. So it'll be short and sweet. It probably will take about 10 minutes for you to do, but you have from Friday until Monday morning at 8:30 a.m. to get that Canvas quiz done. So 2 assignments per week and then a Canvas quiz. So every week. We will then get our logarithm chapter done, and then we'll review over it and test. And there is no final exam. Once we're done with the logarithms, that's it. So that's nice. Now, when it comes for you to ask questions, there is a way for us to do that live over Zoom. The thing is, I have to have at least 2 students in my Zoom at the same time. I can't just go one-on-one. So if you need questions, email me at any time, right? Anytime. I will answer within definitely 24 hours, but if it's during the school day, I should answer almost instantly unless I'm recording a video or something like that. But if you have a question, email it. I can survey people. That's why we signed up for the Remind also. Make sure you've done that if you haven't. But I can send a survey out of what would be a good time for us to Zoom, so that way we can have a bunch of people in there and answer the same question. So we're going to make this work, guys. Obviously, things can change. This is, as of today, this is our plan. If things get worse, we will go with what the government says for us to do, and we will make things work. So communication is a must. Let's have a good one, guys, and let's finish the year strong.